Hello everyone, my name is Souza-Neto and I am a PhD candidate in tourism and marketing at Griffith University in Australia. And in this video, I will show how to automatically retrieve publications from Google Scholar Profile and to classify each journal to the updated ABDC 2025 journal quality list. This can be useful if you're comparing or anyway checking your profile or others' profile. It's up to you. You can decide. You can use it as a research, but then you're going to need to use it one by one. So the ABDC list was updated now, right, in 2025, and some journals changed the rating. One example from my field, tourism management perspectives, was an A, and now it's an A star. So I just adapted that code that I had for the 2022, but I decided to make it available. So let's just see what else you need to what do you need to change in this code. So it's quite simple. I make it very simple. The one thing and only the first thing, the most important, is the research ID. And how do you identify the research ID? It's simple. You're going to copy the link, or you can go directly in there. And everything after the equal sign and before this sign over here is the research ID. Let's go to the website. So this is my supervisor's web page, Google Scholar Profile. After the user equal, right, all the way to that sign. You just copy this, put over there, and then you have the research ID. You need to install the packages. I already have the packages. It's up to you. I will just do the library because it's faster once you already have the package installed. But it doesn't take more than 2 minutes. And after that, just go all the way. The other thing that you may need to change is just the name of the file to match the research ID or to match the name of the person. Here I put both. I added both. And it's up to you. Let's just go from library, click enter, and done. Simple as that, fast as that. Let's just check. So what can we see? Oops, this is the let me open again because I ran a test before. So this is the file. Let's just filter real quick. So let's suppose I want to see what are the A's and A stars papers that my supervisor published. Just go and apply a filter, and then we can see it. So he has 106 A's and A stars, and under this column here you can see the position, second author, third author, more than third author, and then yes, all of the journals coded as A stars. Let's clear the filter. Let's suppose I want to see how many B's does he have. Okay, less B's, so he published a lot in A's and A stars. That is it, everyone. Simple as that. The link is going to be in the bio, not the bio, sorry, in the description of the video. Bye bye.